All right, guys, this is a single cap tooth, custom fitted. This is 10K, white gold. You got your 10K stamp right there, and it goes on the canine. Now you could choose which teeth position you want it in. It could be a top tooth, a bottom. That's up to you. But this is real gold, guys. It's made with solid 10K. It's gold. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. Quality, handmade work. Just snaps right on to your tooth. It doesn't require any type of silicone like on a pre-made. This is made to fit like a glove. Snaps right on. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.